Hey everyone. So, is Xero showing a sync error? Maybe your bank transactions, invoices, or accounts aren't updating properly. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on Xero to keep your financial data accurate. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Xero sync errors in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Xero needs a reliable network to sync data properly, so a weak or intermittent connection can cause errors. If your sync error involves bank feeds, try refreshing or reconnecting them. Go to your bank account in Xero and either refresh the feed or reconnect your bank login. Sometimes old cache or cookies block syncing. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then reload Xero and try syncing again. Open Xero in a different browser or use incognito/private mode. Extensions or browser settings can sometimes interfere with syncing. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. Xero may block certain connections, which can prevent data from syncing. Sometimes sync errors happen because of Xero server issues or pending updates. Check Xero's status page for outages and make sure your bank feed or data entries are fully updated. If none of the above works, contact Xero support. They can help troubleshoot account-specific sync errors and get your data updating correctly. And that's it. Most Xero sync errors can be fixed by checking your connection, refreshing bank feeds, or clearing your browser cache. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.